Let me show you how to check the heating element, to see if it's shorted, or grounded. Shorted or grounded means that the heating element has stretched out, and is touching the metal housing. To check it out, start by disconnecting the dryer from the wall outlet. Turn the dryer around, and lean it against the wall, like this. Remove the terminal block protection plate. And remove the back panel. The heating element is located on the right side. Set your multimeter on the higher scale to read ohms. Make sure that the dryer is disconnected from the wall outlet before proceeding. Disconnect this red wire from the heating element. Take a reading between this terminal on the heating element and the heating element metal housing. And take another reading between this other terminal on the heating element and the heating element metal housing. Both readings should be infinity. Infinity meaning that electricity should not be able to flow from the heating element to the metal housing. If any of the two readings is anything but infinity, the heating element is grounded and must be replaced. Let me show you how to remove the heating element. Disconnect this red wire. And with a flat screwdriver, remove the high limit thermostat, leaving the wires attached to the thermostat. Remove the two holding screws. And remove the heating element unit. Before discarding the heating element, check it out to see if the heating element could be reset. Use a flat screwdriver to move the heating element away from the metal housing, like this. With the multimeter set on the higher scale to read ohms, check the heating element to see if it is okay to reinstall it in the dryer. Take a reading between this terminal and the metal housing, and between this other terminal and the metal housing. Both readings should be infinity, meaning that the heating element is not shorted or grounded anymore. Set the multimeter on the lower scale to read ohms. Take a reading between these two terminals on the heating element. The reading should be between 10 and 50 ohms. If it is infinity, the heating element is bad and must be replaced. Set the heating element in place. Secure it with the two screws. Install the high-limit thermostat. And connect the red wire. That was the way to check a heating element, to see if it is shorted or grounded.